Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about few basic investment things in our day-to-day life. The first and most important is fixed deposit. Here we will be investing a one-time investment in a banks or post office where they will be giving us interest rate depends on the tenure which we are selecting. It might be 6 months tenure, 1 year tenure, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Depending on the tenure, the bank will decide the interest rate. The second is recurring deposit. Instead of investing a one time, we can invest monthly once for a period of 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. Depending on the tenure, the interest rate will be finalized. Third is the mutual fund, which everyone think that this is the risky market. But as per my knowledge, this is the safe market if we know about mutual fund. If we invest it efficiently, then we can earn a lot. Fourth is investing in stocks individually. Fifth is bonds. It might be government bonds, it might be corporate bonds. So now let's discuss more deeper in mutual funds. So mutual funds are segmented in different types. First is large cap funds. In large cap funds, those companies will be coming which has a market capitalization of more than 20,000 crores. Mid cap funds. Here in this segment, the companies which is having a market capitalization between 5,000 to 20,000 crores. Small cap funds. The companies which are less than 5,000 crores as a market capitalization. So these are the three main segmentation of funds in mutual funds. Before this, ELSS funds. ELSS funds is nothing else the funds which can be used for income tax reductions. It's only used for income tax reductions, nothing else, which has a lock-in period of 3 years. Depending on the funds, the interest growth will be there. Index funds. These are the funds which only invest in the index which index you have selected. Suppose if you have selected a Nifty index fund, then it will only invest in Nifty related funds. If you have selected mid cap index fund, then it will only invest in mid cap index funds. So now let's go deeper in scenario wise. If we invest 10,000, what kind of growth we can get? So let's think. Scenario one, I'm investing some X amount, which I'm distributing large cap, mid cap, small cap in different ratios. In scenario one, I'm dividing investing 100% in large cap funds, nothing I'm investing in mid cap and small cap. Whereas in scenario two, I'm investing 50% in large cap, 25% and 25% in mid cap and small cap. Scenario three, 20% in large cap, 40-40 in mid cap and small cap. So generally, most of the people only know about large cap funds because these are the companies which are more popularly known for everyone. Suppose you take Reliance Industries, everyone knows about Reliance Industry. HDFC Bank, everyone knows about HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. These all are large cap funds. This most of the people think that when we know a company, it will be growing, then let's invest in that only. Why to invest in the companies which we have never heard or never known? So why to invest? Let's go for a safer way. Let's invest in only large cap funds. So these are the people who comes in scenario one. Scenario two, they want to divide, segment all their investments in different funds. So 50%, 25%, 25%. Why to take risk? Let's go 50% for the known companies and remaining 50% for the unknown companies. Scenario 3, where these are the people who believe believe for mid cap and small cap and less belief on large cap. But that's not true. The reason for 20, 40, 40% is the correct method which the people who want to grow their wealth invest in these scenarios. Scenario 3 is the scenario where people who want to earn more will be investing. Let's take an example. If you have invested 10,000, segmentation as per the scenario 1 will be 10,000 for large cap. Similarly, for scenario 2, 5,000 and 2,500 for mid cap and small cap. For scenario 3, it will be 2,000 and 4,000 for remaining two funds. So now, what do you think? What is an average growth per annum these different kind of funds are giving? Let's see those also. Large cap funds, which is giving an average growth rate of 12% per annum. Mid cap and small cap funds, which is giving an average growth rate of 18%. So now you can understand why I said the people who want to grow their wealth invest in the scenario 3. This is the reason the people who actually know about the growth rate, they will invest in scenario 3, investing less in large cap, investing more in mid cap and small cap. So now take an example. I have taken 5 years tenure with a growth rate of 12%, 18% and 18%. I have calculated the total portfolio value of an investor after 5 years. If an In scenario 1, investment was 10,000, the total value now present is 17,623. Return of investment is 12% per annum. Whereas in scenario 3, investment was 10,000. After 5 years, it is around 20,000. We are getting around 15% of growth rate. Where in scenario 3, 10,000 investment will give us around 22,000, which is around 17% of growth rate. So 12%, 15% and 17%. Which scenario will be better for increasing your wealth? My answer is scenario 3. So comment your answers. Which scenario are you investing in? Are you a scenario 1%, scenario 2%, scenario 3%? Please provide your comments.